Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating both iPhones and confirming you know the Apple ID and password. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and keep a trusted device or number nearby. Now sign both phones into the same Apple ID via Settings Sign-In. Make immediate choices about iCloud Sync, contacts, calendars, photos, decide whether to merge data when prompted. This sets the foundation so both devices share the same account securely and predictably. Next, go through Settings and enable iCloud for contacts, photos, notes, and other apps you want shared. Then open Messages and FaceTime and sign them into the same Apple ID. Make sure the phone numbers and email addresses you want reachable are checked. After that, enable Settings phone calls on other devices and configure text message forwarding so SMS and cellular calls appear on both iPhones. Doing this explains how and why services sync across both devices. Finish by reviewing iCloud storage and resolving any merge conflicts in contacts or calendars. If you want distinct phone numbers, keep separate SIMs. The Apple ID will still sync app data while calls and SMS can be managed per SIM. If something goes wrong, sign out of the Apple ID on the problematic iPhone, reboot, then sign back in and re-enable services. Make sure two-factor codes are accepted and iCloud status shows healthy. This single troubleshooting tip solves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.